Salvate amici et amice, avate discipuli et discipulae. Good agitis. How are you all? Valeo, I am fine. Today, we are going to master one of the wonderful, beautiful lesson. Atalanta. Lectio quinque. Atalanta. Atalanta is a Greek beautiful maiden. Basically, she is an athlete. To master this lesson, first of all, let's hear an wonderful Latin chords. Omne initium difficile. Every beginning is hard. So, in this lesson, we are going to learn a Greek maiden's effort to make herself to the victory. Now, let us master the lesson by understanding, by knowing, by learning the new vocabulary, nouns, verbs, adjectives, prepositions, and some of the conjunctions. I cordially welcome to listen to the nouns. Let us listen to the nouns. Atalanta, Atalante, name of a Greek maiden. What is the gender of Atalanta? I hope you all know. It's a feminine, just like Rosa, Rose. We already mastered. Puella, Puelle, feminine, girl, maiden. Viri, man or husband. What is the gender of viri? Masculine. Celeritas, celeritatis, feminine, speed. Signum, signi, noun, sign, standard or banner. Via, vie, feminine, fe. Amor, amoris, masculine, love. Terra, terre, earth, ground. Concilium, concili, noun, advise, plan. Donum, doni, neuter, gift. Dea, dee, feminine, goddess. Poioma, poiome, feminine, apple. So, these are the some of the important nouns from the lesson Atalanta. Gracius, Gracia, Gracium, Greek. Aureus, Aurea, Aureum, golden. Yet and. Vero, indeed, really, truly. Neck and not. Pene, nearly, almost. Quam, how. Lonque, far. Bene, well. Contra, against. Ante, before. Ad, to or near. Now let's listen to verbs. Demonstrare, to show. As we have already learned, we have to learn principal parts of a verb. As I said, we have 4 principal forms of each verbs. Demonstro, demonstras, demonstravi, demonstratum. Currere, to run. Curro, curris, cuccuri, cursum. Volare, to fly. Volo, volas, volavi, volatum. Docere, to teach. Doceo, dochas, decui, doctum. tum. Dare, to give. Do, das, dedi, datum. Mittere, to send, to toss down, to throw. Mitto, mittis, missi, misum. Desistere, to cease or to stop. Desisto, desistis, desisti, desistum. Destium, destitum. You can say destitum. Augere or augere, to increase. Augeo, auges, auxi, autum. Superare, to surpass or to excel. Supero, superas, superavi, superatum. Yuvare, to help. Yuvo, yuvas, yuvi, yutum. Eam, her. So these are the important nouns, adjectives, conjunction, adverbs, preposition, verbs and pronoun to master the lesson Atalanta. Now, legamus. We shall read the lesson Atalanta. Then we will get exact translation of the chapter lesson Atalanta. Legamus we shall read. Atalanta erat puella Gracia et vero pulcra. Atalanta, as I said, is the first declension. Atalanta, Atalante, name of a Greek maiden. Erat, was. Puella, girl. Gracia, et vero pulcra. So Atalanta, erat means was. Puella, girl. Gracia, Greek. Et and vero pulcra. Vero means truly, pulcra means beautiful. So Atalanta was a Greek beautiful girl. I repeat, how to re-listen? Atalanta erat puella Gracia et vero pulcra. So we have to understand, see how many English words originally derived from Latin. For example, Gracia, Greek. Pulcra, pulchritude, English word pulchritude, beautiful. So we must carefully read and listen and understand the derivations of this lesson too. As I said, Atalanta was a beautiful Greek maiden. Multi viri contra eam cucre erant. Multi, you might have listened, multi, many. So the word multi is a Latin word, English is many. Multi viri contra eam cucre erant. Many, viri means men. Many men contra against. Eam cucre erant. Many men were running against her. Saith, Manya celeritate curabat, nec superata erat. But she was running with a great speed and had been surpassed. So we have to understand, basically Atalanta was a Greek beautiful maiden. Many men were running against her, but no one could defeat her. Venus concilium habebat. Venus means goddess of love. Venus, goddess of love. So Venus, concilium means a plan. Habebat was having, Venus was having a plan. Puella erat premium victoriae et pedibus eos correre iusit. Puella girl, erat was, premium victoriae. Premium means reward. Victoria means victory. So the reward of victory. The puella erat premium victoriae. The girl was reward of the victory. Yet pedibus eos correre iusit. Pedibus. Pedibus means on foot. Pedibus, eos, her, correre, to run. Iusit means ordered. And she ordered them to run on foot. Here also in these lines, there are many English words originated from Latin words. For example, see premium. You might have listen the word premium. Premium means a reward. Victoria, victory. Pespedas. Nowadays, you have been, I think most of you are engaged with pes. Pes means what? Pes means feet. So, it is from the Latin word pedal. The word pedal or foot comes from the Latin word pes. So, note it, premium, Victoria, pes. These are all Latin words directly originate from Latin word to the English. Listen that. As I said, the girl was the reward of victory and she ordered them to run on foot. Hippomenes contra eam cucre curare paratu serat. Hippomenes is a new person coming to run against our Greek maiden Atalanta. Let us listen. Hippomenes contra means contrary, against, eam, her, curere, to run, paratu serat, parare, to prepare, paratu serat, was preparing. So Hippomenes was preparing to run against her. So who came against her? Hippomenes came against to run Atalanta. Hippomenes was preparing to run against her. Multi spectabant et eum incitabant. Multi, I said many. Spectabant means one. Spectabant, we are watching. Spectators. You know, spectators, they were watching. Multi spectabant et eum incitabant. Many were watching. And incita means urging him on. So many were watching the game, they were encouraging. Now the time came, let us listen. Signum datum est. Signum means signal. Datum est, signal was given. So both of them are ready to run. So the spectators were encouraging them to run. Signum means signal. Datum, given, the signal was given. Atalanta celeritatem suam demonstrabat. Atalanta, celeritatem means speed. Suam, her, demonstrabat was showing. Demonstrabat was showing, not demonstration, demonstro. So demonstrare, demonstro, demonstras, demonstravi, demonstrat. Demonstrate, to show something. See, demonstrate. See, Atalanta celeritatum suam demonstrabat. Atalanta was showing her speed. Pene volabat, she was almost flying. Pene means what? Almost. Volabat, flying, almost flying. Quam lonceande eum currit. Quam, How far in front of him she runs. So she runs how far? She runs against him, Hippomenes. That much speed she was running. Quam, how, longe, far, ante, before or in front of, aim her, currit, she runs. How far in front of him she runs. Said the Venus Hippomene viam. Seth means but. Venus, Venus. Hippomene viam. The two. Victoria, victory. Doque erat. But Venus had shown Hippomenes the way to victory. Way to victory. Victoria, viam. The Victoria, way to victory. Ei poioma aurea dederat. She had given him golden apples. So she gave golden apples to whom? Hippomenes. Hippomenes pomum ad terra misit. Hippomenes threw an apple to the ground. Atalanta destitit correre. Atalanta ceased running. Just she stopped running. Hippomenes celeritatum suam outsit. Hippomenes celeritatum increased. Suam, his outsit speed. Hippomenes increased his speed. Venus dea amoris. Eim bene juvarat. Venus dea amoris, goddess of love. Goddess of love. What did he do? See, Venus, goddess of love, had helped him well. Whom? He helped him, Hippomenes, to run against Atalanta to the victory. Hippomenes concilio donoque dea puellam supere errant. Hippomenes had defeated the girl by the plan of the gift of the goddess. So this is content of the lesson. We have to understand the beauty of this lesson and try to read and understand the content of the lesson. Now, take your time, take your textbook, read and underline how many English words derived from Latin words. Oh, there are so many words you can underline and you can write it in your notebook. You got the story? Yeah? Okay, when you get the translation, you will be able to understand more. So in this lesson, we also have to understand the grammatical pattern also, grammatical structure also we have to learn from this lesson. So already we have learned first conjugation. Do you remember first conjugation? Amare. Do you remember amare? So amare we conjugated amo, amas, amat, amamus, amatis, amant. Amo means what? I love. So I love a girl. How will you say in lingua latina Latin? Puellam amo. I love a girl. I love a star. How will you say? Stellam amo. So like this, you construct simple sentences and translate into Latin. Rade Latine et rade Anglice. Translate to Latin and translate to English. By understanding the lesson Atalanta, we learned or mastered a new vocabularies, derivations, simple construction of the sentences, and you can also write the translation, and for the examination point of view, you have to translate simple sentences. Simple sentences you can translate. As well, declension, regarding the declension, you can decline, pick out the word from this lesson. For example, Atalanta. What type of declension? First declension. You know that first declension. So, just like Rosa, Rose, you can decline. Atalanta, Atalante, Atalanta, Atalante, Atalante, Atalantarum, Atalante, Atalantis, Atalantam, Atalantas, Atalanta, Atalantis. And for the conjugation, you can pick out demonstrare, dare, parare. So, you can conjugate just like a first conjugation amare. For example, demonstrare, demonstro, demonstras, demonstrat, demonstramos, demonstratis, demonstrant. So, likewise, you can conjugate, you can decline, and you can master the lesson Atalanta. For the activities, you have to take down some of the verses for your construction of the sentences. Gracias. We will see in the next class with a new lesson. Vale, dico.